at this time I'll just add a few chopped tomatoes. Another one of my favorite recipe to everyone. Usually in my country, if it rains a lot, mostly people we have one rice. My foreigner friends will be so confused. Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share another recipe with you all. Today rained a lot in Malaysia, and usually what happens in Bangladesh, if it's a rainy season or if it's rain a lot, we always have a craving for one rice or one dish which is called labra khichuri. So mostly my foreigner friends will gonna be confused that what is labra khichuri. So let's not talk too much and let's go to the video. Might be the light is bad, the lighting quality is bad, but I have to start anyway. So for this recipe I used half cup of lentils and 1 cup of rice. I used my country's traditional rice which we used. This is Chini Gura. Can you see? Chini Gura aromatic rice from Pran company. This is very good. This is very fragranceful and very small, and it's very tasty. So you can use it, but you can use it if you don't find it, you can use any rice. Basmati rice will be okay also. So I use half cup of lentils and 1 cup of rice, and I wash it and I dry it. Now it's totally dry. In this labra khichuri I'm using today mixed vegetables because I like vegetables a lot. So this is optional. If you want to use it, it's good. If you don't want to use it, you just don't use it. So I used all types of vegetables what I have in my house. So I used potato, half sliced of potato, same goes half sliced of half this much of carrots and cabbage, all are half cup, onion, chili, and these all I cut it into this shape, this small shape. You can just cut it based on your liking. So this shape I cut it, everything, the cabbage and the potato and the carrots. Same goes to onions. So this is my vegetables. And for the spices I used cinnamon stick, cardamom, cloves, and use cinnamon sticks. I use cardamom, I used black pepper, cumin seeds, and yeah, that's all. Just gently wash once and just use it. And for the paste I used 1 teaspoon of ginger paste and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. So that's all you need. So now let's go to the main video. Let's go to the cooking process. So in here I just added my spices and the paste, as you can see. Just mixed it for a while, then after that I'll add my vegetables. And now I'll add the vegetables. I'll add all the vegetables. Guys, just to let you know, this is only my style of cooking. Whatever I like to add and so on. So just don't judge. This is based on my cooking, my likings, whatever I put. So all the vegetables, when it's getting a little bit brown or light brown, then you add the spices. Spices means the powders, the spice powders. So now I just add on salt based on my taste, and chili powder 1 teaspoon, and turmeric powder, as you can see here, turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon. So if you don't like chili powder to add on, just don't add, but I like chili powder, I like spicy food, so I'll add a little bit. And now I mix it here. Yeah. And mix until all the vegetables get cooked properly. And now I'll add on my lentils and rice, what I washed earlier and dried. See, I'll add this one up here all together. This one I washed it earlier and keep it for dry. So yes, this is 1 cup of rice and 1/2 cup of lentils, and you mix it all together. That's all for now. When the rice will gonna stick to the pan, you will understand. Now it's the time to pour the water. So in here total I use 3.5 cup of warm water, 1/2 cup of lentils, 1/2 cup of water, and 1 cup of rice. I use 3 cup of warm water, and just mix it gently and wait until it cooks. So wow, this is on process, and we have to wait for a while. It will just take a few moments to cook. As you can see, it's almost cooked, and it will be, don't be scared, it will be a liquidy like this, a bit liquidy, because it is called a liquid rice or labra khichdi we called it usually. And I'm cooking it in very low flame, so just try to cook it in a very low flame and just wait until it cooks. So for now I'll just put the lid on and wait to cook it. At this time I'll just add a few chopped tomatoes just for the color, because I love tomatoes like this kind of. Yes, and just mixed a little bit. Oops. And wait just 2 to 3 minutes now, and I'll just take it off. As you can see, this is the final dish. This is we call labra khichdi, and it looks really delicious. My mouth is full of water. I just want to have it, and that's my dish, labra khichdi. I hope you like it, and please like my video and subscribe it, please. Thank you for watching. I always served it with a pickle, but this is optional because I love pickles, that's why I have it. And this is the final dish. As you can see, I hope you like the video, and please subscribe it and give a like. Thank you.